The function f is defined for all real values of x by fx equals 2x plus 5. The function g is defined for all real values of x and is such that g minus 1 of x is equal to the cube root of x minus a, where a is a constant. It is given that f of g of minus 1 of 12 equals 9. Find the value of a and hence solve the equation g of f of x equals 68. So here's the question then in summary form. Okay, here, so find a, so f of g minus 1 then first of all, of 12 is equal to f of g minus 1 of 12, which equals g minus 1 of 12 then, put 12 in here, is f of cube root of 12 minus a. And now that's equal to f of something. F of something goes to 2 times something plus 5, so it's 2 times the something. 2 times cube root, that should read, of 12 minus a plus 5. And that equals 9. So, what have we got then? 2 times the cube root of 12 minus a equals, move the 5 over, 9 minus 5 is 4. Move the 2 from times down to divide. So the cube root of 12 minus a is 4 over 2, which is 2. Cube both sides then. And that tells us that 12 minus a is equal to 2 cubed, which is 8. And so we can finally say that here a is equal to, move the a over there, and move the 8 to be minus 8. 12 take 8 is 4. Read from right to left, a equals 4. So we've shown that a is 4 then. Find a and show that and solve g of f of x is 68. Now g of f of x, g of f of x is equal to g of f of x, and we know what f of x is. Let's just have a quick look. It's 2x plus 5, so let's put it in. It's g of 2x plus 5, so that's equal to, now g, we know g minus 1, and from g minus 1 we should be able to get g, so g minus 1, let's just take that here, let's just take it down with us, and I'm going to work on this to get g. So let's do that then. So let's drag this down here. We're going to work on a sub-problem underneath here, so I just put a line to denote a sub-problem across the page, like so. Now here, this is the case for g minus 1. Now, the other thing to say is that g of x is equal to just the inverse of the inverse, isn't it? So if we just use the same approach here, so here y then is equal to cube root of x minus a. So cube both sides, y cubed is equal to x minus a. It's the same process as usual. So x rearranged for x then is equal to y cubed plus a. So now we can flip the signs. So y, which will be g of x in this case, will equal, and swap the symbol, is x cubed plus a. And x cubed plus a, and a was equal to the 4, wasn't it? So put that in at the end. So, g of x is equal to x cubed plus 4. So that's the end of the sub-problem here. So I'm going to go back to the main problem now. So x cubed plus 4, this cubed, 2x plus 5, cubed plus 4. So now that is equal to, so on the question then, g of f of x is 68, so let's put 68 in then. So that tells us 2x plus 5 cubed then is equal to, move the 4 over, 68 minus 4 is 64. Cube root both sides, 2x plus 5. Cube root of 64 is 4. So that tells us now that 2x, move the 5 over to minus 5. 4 take 5 is minus 1. And then move the 2 from times down to divide. X is equal to minus 1/2. So x is equal to minus 1/2 is the answer there. And it said to, what was the question? Find A and solve for that. And there's the solution.